Good morning, my friends. It's Nana Claire again, and I'm here to read you another story. And I've got Mama Bunny and Daddy Ruff here to say hi to you. Hi, hi. Back home, and it's another hot day, so I thought I'd read a kind of silly, short story called Boffo, the Great Motorcycle Race. And let's see who wrote this book for us. Frank Dickens. Let's see. That's the cover page. And it was written in 1976, which I think is about 38 years ago. I think that's right. "Hurry up and drink your milk," says Mother. "Always milk," grumbles William. "We're sick of it," said Lucy. They don't like milk very much. Uncle Boffo chuckles from his seat by the window. "Had it not been for milk," he begins, "I would have never won the great motorcycle race." He's about to tell us a story. All the top riders were taking part. Speedy Sam, Legs 11, Alan the Hat, and Elephant Bill. But I was riding a cycle of my own design, and I was sure I could win. My most dangerous rival was Rudy, a mustachioed villain who would stop at nothing to win. There's Rudy, the bad guy. He wants to win that race and he'll do anything. It says, cough, cough, gasp, gasp, from all the smoke at the motorcycles. On a long uphill stretch, Rudy and I left the rest far behind. We were riding neck and neck. Neck and neck means they were so close to each other that you could hardly tell who was first and who was second. Suddenly, Rudy snatched a can of nails from under his sweater and threw it in my path. Uh-oh. That's cheating. Then he rode off, leaving me with 2 flat tires. What was I to do? Give up? And he says, "Ho, ho, ho," as he rides off. That Rudy. Cheater. He says, "Give up? Never." Looking around for a solution, I spied a cow in a field, and I knew my problem was solved. "Moo," said the cow. What is he going to do? How is he going to win that race? "You rode the cow?" asked William. "Certainly not," frowns Uncle Boffo. "That would have been against the rules." "I milked it instead," he says, smiling. "And you drank the milk to give you energy?" asked Lucy. Boffo grins and shakes his head. "Wrong again." The cow's saying, "Moo." The cow's so happy to get the milk out of its middle. I poured it into the valves of the flat tire. He's pouring the milk in his tires. What is that going to do? Then, pumping up the tires, I sprang into the seat. And raced off after Rudy. Brum, brum, brum. There he goes on his motorcycle, racing off to catch up to his rival. "But what about the flat tires?" asked the children. "Repaired." "Repaired? How?" they insisted. Can you guess how milk might fix a flat tire? Let's find out. By the milk, chuckles Boffo. What happens when you spin milk? It turns to butter, Lucy cries. Exactly. And when the wheels of my motorcycle spun around, the milk turned to butter and sealed up the holes. Did you know that's how they make butter? They take milk and spin it so fast. Knowing that my tires were repaired, I was able to catch Rudy just before the finish. He was none too pleased, I can tell you. But how could you catch him when he was so far ahead? Asked William. Easily, said Boffo. He had been held up by a herd of cows. There's the cows, and he can't get through. Grrr, he says. He's so angry. And Uncle Boffo begins to laugh until tears roll down his cheeks. Would you children like something else to drink? Asks Mother, or she says it like this. Would you children like something else to drink? What do you think they're going to ask for? Yes, Mother, cried Lucy and William. Milk! And that, my friends, is the end of the story. They wanted more milk because of their uncle's story about the great motorcycle race. Uncle Boffo. That's a silly story. And some kids can't even drink milk because they're allergic to it. But some kids love it. And when I was a little kid, my dad used to make me drink it. I didn't like it very much. But my son drinks milk every day. He loves it. Anyway, that's the story of Boffo and the Great Motorcycle Race. I hope you guys have a fun day. And Daddy Ruff Ruff and Mama Bunny say, reading is so much fun. Yay! Bye, guys. Bye. He's waving with his foot.